Right now, business owners can feel extremely overwhelmed by all of the apps out there, all of the AI technology out there, and they don't even know where to start. The recommendation typically that I use with clients is you start small, you see the ROI, and always technology is going to change. You cannot never set it and forget it. You can never do that with sales. Something that you put into place in January may not be working in June, may not be working in September. Why? Your customers change. They change how they buy. AI technology changes, right? You always have to assess. You have to assess your market. If you're not assessing, right, it's the same with AI. So feeling overwhelmed is natural. That's where having someone come in that is a part of a larger organization that sees all of the technology that is out there, that quite frankly, I work with AI companies, so I know many of the technologies. I'm working with teams that looked at 35 different companies for AI coaching, for examples. Where else are you going to get that, right? And selected 2 of the best for small and medium-sized businesses. That's just one example. So if you're an organization that wants to learn more about AI or is struggling and don't know what to do with AI, please reach out to me. I would love to talk to you about it.